and its implication to business and business to marketing strategies can be thought over, and user can now ask incredible ask simple query based questions which has an incredible backend process. So we will try to showcase you as how this AI mode works and what are the features which are inbuilt in this AI mode. First, we will try to understand as how this is going to impact and how it is working. AI mode is the most powerful AI search with more advanced reasoning, and it can take multiple intent of users, can go deeper into search queries and follow-up questions with helpful links of the web. For business targeting decision makers and who have substantial budget, mastering AI mode optimization that isn't just a strategy, it has become very essential to survive in competitive world. You may just see a demo as how this will work. There are multiple features which we are trying to navigate, like if things to do in Nashville with friends over the weekend. It's thinking and it's running the search where it is showing you the restaurant for foodies. It is showing you music and chill vibes. Then it will show you places which you can visit, and it will give you a location, multiple location of eatables around the same place, which has a high rating and review. And if you wish, you can directly give a command to book the reservations. So that is how it will be working, and that is how it will handle the complex queries. Now let's dive in deep search in AI mode. Deep search uses the same query fan out techniques, but taken down to the next level. Query fan out technique is like whenever the user is uh, submitting the query, it's break down the multiple intent of the same query the user may be asking, and then it runs that entire query in deep search mode. In hundreds and tons of sites, it searches in order to give a compile an expert level full stated report for the users in minute and saving hours of research time. This is a short demo. You can see as how long or how complex the query is, which is being asked in deep search. You will see once the result started coming in for this particular search query, the reference link will be shown on, see how deep it is searching and how multiple places it is doing the search. Once the result is started showing, you will see on the right hand side the reference link which has been shown. In this overview, the user don't have an option to click on multiple places. This is just a gist of summary based on the query which has been asked by the user. So it's very important to rank on reference sites whenever a deep complex query has been given. Down the line, we'll let you know as how you can leverage this opportunity and how you can execute this task. Now let's go to Project Astra Live capabilities. In this video, you will see as how the AI mode voice search is jumping and how it is executing the command which is given by the user.
I'm here with the latest research prototype of Project Astra, and we're going to see how it can help me fix my bike. Hey, go online and look for a user's manual for a Huffy mountain bike.
I have found a user manual for you. What would you like to know about it?
Okay, cool. Now scroll until you find the section about the brakes.
Sure thing. Looking for that page now.
I think I stripped this screw. Can you go on YouTube and find a video for how to fix that?
Of course. I'm opening YouTube now. This looks like a good video.
Place a rubber band over the head of the screw.
Oh, nice.
Press
Hey,
down firmly.
can you go through my emails with the bike shop and find which size hex nut I need?
Sure. According to the email from Bicycle Habitat, you need a 3/8-inch hex nut for your sprocket. I've highlighted the correct bin for you.
It seems like I need a spare tension screw. Can you call the nearest bike shop and see what they have in stock?
Yep, calling them now. I'll get back to you with what they have in stock.
I think my brake pads are wearing down. Can you check the manual again and see if it talks about them anywhere?
According to the manual, if you look on page
Hey.
24,
Do you want to get lunch?
Yeah, give me 5 minutes. Can you finish what you were saying?
as I was saying, if you look on page 24, section 2, you'll see how to replace the brake pads.
Hey, any updates on that call?
Yep, I just got off of the bike shop. They confirmed they have your tension screw in stock. Would you like me to place a pickup order?
Could you show me some examples of dog baskets I can put on my bike?
Sure, I can help you with that. Just give me a moment. Here are some options. I think Zuka would look really great in these.
In this video, you have seen the multiple queries which has been asked and how cool this project Astra is. This entire features and function will be coming in AI mode where the user can ask multiple question and the question is getting executed. That is the next level where this AI mode is taking the users to.
I'm here with the
No, the Project Astra live capabilities once implemented on Google AI overview, how it will look or by just owning the camera, you can how you can execute the command. That is just a small demo which we wanted to showcase.
What else should I do to make it stronger?
To make it stronger, consider adding more triangles to the design. Also, ensure a strong bonding between the popsicle sticks by using wood glue and clamping or taping the joints while they dry.
This is like just owning the camera and asking the question. The answers has been generated by AI mode. So these all capabilities will be coming in AI mode. Uh, it's already there in AI mode in US. Capabilities of Project Marina into AI mode. Now, let me give you a brief on Project Mariner. In this context, the Google refers to a new and experimental AI web browser agents, which is developed by DeepMind. And how it works is like you communicate, you can give your command or queries based on desired task, which you can say it in natural language. Then Project Mariner observes the browser. It will interpret your goals which you want to execute and create a plan of action and proceed to navigate and interact with websites to complete the task. You can observe the progress online and prompts further, or you can just stop it. So in this prompt, the user have asked to go in his Google Drive and find a recipe of goulash, family recipe of goulash, and buy the ingredients. These all videos we have taken from Google AI mode details, what we have gathered and we have understood as how the capabilities of AI mode in multiple ways will be working. So we just wanted to showcase as what exactly AI mode is so that the planning and the strategy with your project can be lined up. Now, once the project Mariner AI mode comes into picture, it will execute the task which will be asking him to do, like help with task of buying a ticket online. Once the search has been done, it will go in the search with multiple intent based. It will show you high and low value tickets which is available for the same show or multiple resources. And based on your criteria, it will execute the command of buying the tickets. Now, this is a game-changing feature which has been launched in AI mode is AI shopping partners to find the perfect product. It understand your intent, like traditional searches relies heavily on exact word or type, and AI shopping partners, especially own powered by large language models like Google Gemini. New AI mode brings together Gemini capabilities with our shopping graph to help your browsers to think through consideration and narrow down your product search. AI can then it can correlate or it can decode the queries what we are entering, like sophisticated, comfortable, summer event, and even it can track your location. So based on that, the results will be shown to the users. Now, in this case, the first search which has been done is to I am looking for a cute travel bag. Now, there are other questions which has been asked to narrow down the user's intent. Now, if the user is saying that I'm traveling from one place to another, eh, what query this query is looks very normal, but once entered, Google will break down these queries in multiple intent base, like he's traveling in multiple places. So he needs, if it is rainy season, he needs a waterproof baggage, or he needs a very trendy, which will fit in his travel purpose. You will see the sponsor ads are also being shown in the search. But at the same time, I would like to address one point as whenever you are handling an e-commerce site, you need to ensure you need to more focused on the product descriptions, uh, the comparison with the price, uh, how multiple intent of user it can cater to, uh, what is the review of your products which is coming. So these are the multiple sets of intent which on which user may run the queries, or AI mode can do a filter and show the results to the user. So it becomes very essential for e-commerce clients or e-commerce clients which you're handling to ensure that they are also coming in AI mode shopping experience. Now, AI mode can also custom charts and graphs for visualizing data based on the query what you are asking him. That is a like it will analyze the complex data set. It will create visuals and bring it to life, all custom built for your queries. Search will provide an analysis and generate an very interactive graph or stats based on the questions what you ask, like Google real-time sports information, a comparison query when it goes uh, comparing the two brands, it will show the stats and the features, their USPs, and key observation point. So it's summarizing everything, and you will see the reference link is also coming down to this type of search queries. Now let's come to top ways to ensure that your content is performing well in Google AI searches and Google AI experience and search. Core principle for AI optimized content is first, you are writing content for humans and not for search engine algorithm. By this, we mean to say that you are focusing your content based on your services, which can add a value for the users who are reading those content. Then EAT is you need to be very you need like we are experienced, we are expertise, we are authoritative, and we are trustworthiness type of content which we are delivering to our uh, for our projects. Comprehensive coverage is cover topics through deep dive analysis and unique insight, which will clear out in next slides, is definitely a clear structure. Organize content logically and with very correct headlines. You can add your supporting evidence with the content research work once done with relevant high quality images or media links. Why this principle matters is like Google AI system prioritize content which are more satisfied for the user to read, which is very genuine, value added content for the users in principle, rather than just to feature on AI overview and enhance search experience. If anytime you have any questions, you can definitely ask me. Uh, I want everyone to just think beyond the AI chatbots, because there are many good tools, and I would like you to take a screenshot if you want. This is uh, answer.com site. It will once you have done the research work at your end for one client for which you have to write a piece of content, you just need to enter the topic. You can select the country in the next filter, which is shown, which you can see at this is the topic area, and this is the country where you can select. The language mode can be searched and can be selected, and then you need to perform the search. Once you perform the search, you will see that impact on Gen AI has generated 2005 uh, questions, which could be which is tracked in the database by Google and by Google tools, and it is being shown in one page. Top five, top four, it has given. What are the impacts of generative AI, and how will generative AI affect society? And what was the impact of artificial intelligence, and how will AI change the world? These are the four type of queries, and rest you will see down this under this line, all the queries broken down in who, how, and why, and other sections. Once all the queries based on this topic is generated, you have an ability to do a clustering of those questions. Once the clustering has been done, then you can download this file in Excel and Excel or any other format. When you have downloaded it, I will suggest that you again have a cross validation to trust the source from which the queries has been generated. You can do your own research, and then using the tools which from which you want to generate content or do a research work or drill down, that can be done, and based on that the content has to be written. I will just tell you one thing is right now the thin content what you see on web pages, on the service pages, those eras are gone. You need to produce one piece of content for one topic and give it a deep dive. So the research work you can do with this tool. Just open your eyes and see as what is happening in the AI world, and how it can help you to do a deep research on the topics. I'm not showing you the live, but you can just go on this particular site and try to explore. It has very good videos and tools, or learn as how you can use and how you can cluster the contents.
And I'm also sharing the links, whatever the tool Ravish is sharing. I've shared it in the chat. You can, copy that and explore it later. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Ravish.
Yeah, now the content strategy for AI visibility is a specific approach to optimize your content for Google AI powered search experiences. First is uniqueness, originality of the content, freshness of content which is not found in other places. That is one of the strategy. You can address comprehensive topic coverage. By this, we mean to say that covering multiple angles of questions which can come on that particular topic, and how it has to be written and on which tone it has to be written, and in-depth research what can be done. Multi-format content, by this you can say it's not only on content. You need to see the multiple aspect of AI mode. You need to see, as you have an opportunity to rank on voice search and image search, both the places. So the visual and rich media content, rich media availability, what you have related to the topic can be inserted. Give very clear headline and publish very structured data, which is well understood by Google bots and for the users, for the human users to read it. Update and timely information. What I will suggest, if you're working on some projects for a period of long period of time, say about 6 months or 8 months, you need to go and revisit the client service pages, because you have an opportunity to rewrite or refresh those content, by which you can gain traffic, and you have an opportunity to rank both places on search and on AI or AI mode as well. Implementation tip will be like, these strategy authentically, rather than it has to be very authentic for the users rather than just for Google bots to read. You need to find a way by which you can which by which you can find a genuinity in the content after the research work which has been done. Now, this is one of the one of very important point which I wanted to address, is that's the reason that I have included in this presentation, is provide a great page experience. By this, once the page is published, you can go Google Search Console Core Web Vitals, in which you see as how the page is loading, what is the how it is interactive, and visual stability of rich media content, or rich media links what you have published on the page. Mobile first index is very important for right now, because the traffic which will be coming on your site from smart devices are more conversational based traffic. So you can just do a deep dive on traffic which is coming from smart devices. What is the search query from where they are coming, and what is the time which they are spending on the page. Safe browsing with secured HTTPS for all the pages, that has to be taken care. I will now the page experience resources. This is one of the tool which is Manas. This work like Project Astra. You can give him a command like we have given just a prompt, which you can see here is check if the site connection for HTTP is secure or not. It will go on that particular site. It will do its QA and testing automatically, and it will give you results. You can also give him a prompt of like go and fill the contact us form on wsiworld.com saying I'm this and I'm interested in this. If you give that voice or text command, both you can give it. Once you give it, it will actually start executing those tasks, and it will give you a report if the task is completed or there is any error on that particular command which you have given. This tool is using multiple LLM. It's not only using say about Bing or Google LLM. It is using image based, it's using multiple LLM, and it can execute multiple tasks. It can read content from images and dump into Excel. It can do a deep dive research based on the set of queries what you have generated. So I will just would like all the ICs to explore the tool apart from chat modules what you have exposed till now. So these are the things. This tool is very it's very vast. You can check out all the features by using a trial version. Once you feel that, okay, this is adding a value, uh, you can go for paid subscription. Uh, there are tools which can automate your entire strategy, including like once you see if your site is uh, getting a traffic drop in analytic, but at the same time you are seeing the search of key phrases is on the same position, but the traffic is going down. At those period of time, you can make a strategy. Once the strategy has been done, then the content topics comes into place, and the execution. So entire this process can be automated through tools, uh, and you can measure the impact once it's published on the pages. So we are at Vidushi Infotech, we have automated many of the aspect what we are doing it, and we are going to measure it since this is very new to very new thing which has come into picture as AI mode. And we are here to just add a value and give you the correct guidelines by which you can which you can implement in your projects. Now ensure that Google can access your content as like having no index, and HTTP 200 means that the bot has successfully crawled the page and indexed. Meaningful content and accessible for indexed. Now this is manage visibility with preview controls. Control display rich snippets and no snippets. Balance visibility will be like more restriction and the less AI feature exposure. Those old pages, if by somehow you wanted to, you have blocked and you have written the fresh content based on the same services, then you want the new fresh content to rank. So you can explore both the options. You have you have the option where by which you can merge both the pages as one, and you can generate very fresh and very unique content that is advised. This is a rich snippet test. What you can do is you just need to enter the URL of your client site. It will take say about 2 or 3 minutes. It will let you know as if the rich snippet which you have added in the header is clear or it has some missing fields. As I've mentioned in my previous slides, is go beyond the text for multimodal success. Is you need to focus on voice, which uses natural conversion keywords. Visuals add for visuals you need to have like all text use high quality images and optimize the file names. Create a content cluster and focus on multiple intent based keywords. By this adopting by this, you will have the ability to rank on all the places of voice and visual search. In getting indexed on AI search, AI mode, it's like all the places you have to be present at once. The social signals will matter. The review sites will matter. Your local citations, Yelp and uh, Yelp pages will matter. So these third-party tools I'll cover in the next slide as key takeaways. The big the big influence. Why I have tried to explain this is we need to understand the AI chatbots and the LLM which is behind that. Like DuckDuck is one of the browsing, and then you have ChatGPT, you have Yahoo, you have AOL. Everyone is using one central LLM, which is Bing. So definitely the bots or the query which has been run, and that is another opportunity by which you can that is another shift as you can see if the data is coming uh, on your uh, on your traffic from referral search engines as well. Different optimization factor. We just try to segregate Google and Bing as like Google is for semantic relevance. Bing is exact match keywords with multimedia. Signals is user experience page speed. Bing user social signal and user engagement. AI integration is Gemini and full chat GPT integration. Geo focused is informational density, and in Bing you will see a conversational answer. Uh, Now the Bing power most search engines other than Google. That is the second. It has come to a second place, including Yahoo, ChatGPT, Search, AOL, and DuckDuckR. Uh, in this, we are just extending that the previous slide as we wanted to show as which all AI chatbots are using which LLM, and just correlating what we are trying to say as we can focus on Bing on Bing as well. The most priority is definitely Google, but the Bing also can be looked over. Bing dominance is 57% of AI engine uses Bing data. Dual optimization focus on both Google and Bing SEO. And strategic coverage is optimizing across all major search engines. Like we should not leave out other opportunity which is coming into place. That was my idea to showcase everything. There are very good number of tools which are available apart from prompt, which can do multiple tasks, and it will blow your mind if you are if you're going to start and exploring other tools. So the session is ended, and if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Ravish, Nancy had a question about tracking for AI search. How do we track the AI for AI search, AI traffic?
You can do a custom code in GA4 by which you have to mention the multiple AI chatbots from which you want to track the traffic. That is custom query which has to be run, and then you will see in the referral traffic what you see in your site could have the traffic which is coming from AI bots or AI mode. That needs to be that can be segmented, and then it will start showing you as how much traffic you are getting from Gemini, how much traffic you are getting from Chat GPT or from other places. Nancy, I can send you proper instructions in the email.
I think Ravish, I may have a video to how we set up.
Yeah, we can,
Uh,
that is different. We can send a step by step guide, and, or we can show on one-to-one basis connect as how it has to be done.
yeah, I have unmuted. You have gave you the permissions, Nancy. Um, you're still facing problems, Nancy? Just shared other permissions. Nancy, can you check now if you can? I have unmuted you. I gave you both the permissions. I'll just refresh it. Give me a second, okay? Yeah, I just okay. Can you check now? I don't know why this is happening, but
Nancy, what we will do is we will send it to you on. I will send it to you as how it has to be done, or I'll ask Rohit
uh,
to address this. He also knows it.
uh, do you, Google has intentions to add something into analytics that tracks AI. Yeah,
Yeah,
Ravish, this is for you. Yeah, go
yeah.
ahead.
This can be tracked. We are already tracking it. I'll show you some of the case studies. I'll send it across some of the case studies, which you can have a look. And if you want in any of your projects to have this custom to be included, custom codes to be added, we can do that. You can just give us the access of your Google Analytics and we can have a discussion on that. Nancy, I hope that is clear.
That have local. Another one for you, Ravish.
Also, does means that we should be focusing more on uh, it won't be it is advised to look at Bing as well. Once you go, if you have client who is local, like a dentist, listing your sites on Bing and exploring those things is definitely will be a good option rather than just focusing on Google My Business.
Ravish, this actually Rabi has also has the same kind of a question. Can you just go to the slides where you're sharing the Google versus Binge thing for the chatbots?
Okay,
Yeah, so that can clear a lot of things. Rabi, just to tell you that Gemini uses obviously Google's data, and most of the famous AI tools, as you can see, the ChatGPT uses the data given from Binge. So you need to, if you want to rank on ChatGPT, it is better to optimize for Binge as well. So as ChatGPT is using all the Binge data. Yeah,
Bing data.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Ravish, you can. Yeah.
yeah. So this is the slide. I can send you the screenshot of those slides as well as so you can have a look at it whenever you wish. This was first. This was second slide. And this is first slide. Is it okay?
She wanted to know the previous slide. Yeah, the ChatGPT thing. One before this. Yeah.
This is one and this is second.
Yeah. See, Rabia, in the you can see on the left hand side, here is the internet data sources and answering engines, right? So ChatGPT is using Bing, Meta AI is using Bing. Apart from Gemini, AI Overview, and Apple Intelligence, the other famous LLM models, or we can say the chatbots, are using mostly Bing. The source is Bing, data source is Bing. So 57% of the AI engines are using Bing. So just not focus on Google. We need to focus on Bing as well. So we can, on both the answering engines, let's say either Gemini or ChatGPT, if you want to show our presence there, we want to rank there, we need to optimize for both the platforms, for both the search engines. Yeah.
Yeah, Rabia, I can have a personal discussion with you and I can explain everything whenever we have time. as how the integration and how the strategy has to be refocused, by which you can leverage both the search engines. Yeah, that's good. Any other questions you have? Nancy, I will connect with you one-to-one basis. I can send you a request and let's discuss further on this. Okay, yeah, I think yeah, thanks. Uh, I think we can just end this presentation, end this webinar.
Yeah.
If you have
Yeah,
any
Nancy, I'll
queries,
be sharing you both the slides and the data tracking thing as well.
sure.
Um,
Yeah.
I want to send this. Yeah.
Okay, and I would like to have a feedback once the session is over. You can just on the same line, you can give your feedback or what else you need from our end, which needs to be added. We can definitely look forward to improve our webinar section and add a value to WSICs. Okay, thanks. Let's thank you all. Take care. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.